Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so I had made some vegan pasta using some coconut milk, some mushrooms, okay, some peppers, and some Scotch bonnet peppers, and some red peppers, some onions, and some mushrooms. Okay, I think I said mushrooms already. Okay, this is so good. I think I said I wasn't coming back on here. Instead of me using don't just look just like chicken. Instead of me using regular peppers, regular noodles, I used chickpeas, garbanzo bean noodles. Wait one second. So it was supposed to be like a like Alfredo sort of, but since I used this the mushroom powder seasoning, okay, it turned my sauce brown. Okay. Don't that look like chicken? Honey, nope. It's not chicken. It is oyster mushrooms. That sauce is just good. And I did use some nutritional yeast, but I threw the container out. Okay, and the reason being is because if it's nutritional yeast, right? You think of yeast. Well, I don't know about the next person, but if I think of yeast, okay, and it says nutritional yeast, I be thinking like, oh, that'll give you a yeast infection, okay? So I threw the bottle out, but it do flavor your food. I mean, if you're looking for like a flavor and stuff, it do flavor your food, but is other substitutes you could use, like hemp seeds. Now the hemp seeds, I don't know. I don't like if the hemp seeds like look foamy. You get what I'm saying? Like if you add in the milk and stuff, like I don't like I like it to look like, just saucy like. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some more research and some more tweaking and things of that nature. The noodles I'm using is chickpea noodles. I remember it was this place that I used to go to in Bloomfield, New Jersey. For the ones that's not from up here, from New Jersey, you probably don't know, but probably like 3 towns away, right? Um, when I used to go there, I remember they used to make this pasta, Alfredo. That That pasta was so good. So good so that I went on YouTube to see how to make, because it's a recipe that they have out to make like Olive Garden pasta de Alfredo. And it's so simple. Next time what I'm going to do, so the sauce don't look brown, I'm going to use just and how I made the sauce, I use coconut milk. So, if you're a person that's like, coconut milk, isn't it going to have a taste to it like coconut? Mm-mm. Did you guys see, I think I talked about it, that video with that guy who was eating a burger? Every time I think about that, he was eating a burger. I don't know if he was from Texas or whatever, but he was eating a burger and something white had fell out, and he thought it was mayonnaise. But come to find out, it was a tapeworm. And he said he thought it was mayonnaise until it started moving. That stuff like that freaks me out. And then, what's up with Wendy's? All right, so I heard Wendy's got a burger that's 1 cent. I don't know. But with that being said, family, I gotta go. I gotta hop on this Zoom call. I love you guys. One of the things that I noticed also before I go, look, I'm not getting enough of food. Cause honey, at nighttime, I be so darn hungry. And last night, the temptation was oh so real. Okay, I was gonna go to Walgreens, but I said I'm stronger than this. I'm better than this. Okay. And so what I did was, honey, my noodles is breaking apart now. What I did was, I just made me a smoothie. You know what it is? What it is with this? If you buying mushrooms, okay, I use 1 pack of oyster mushrooms, okay? If you buying the mushrooms, oh shit, you know what I mean? Can't be showing y'all this food. Right, if you buying the mushrooms, make sure you get more. You get a lot. Because I used 1 pack of mushrooms, and honey, it looked like I only put 1 piece of mushroom in a pot. Oh, that's what I was saying. I was saying, God damn. I should have really put more mushrooms. Don't that look like chicken? I know, but it's not. It's not chicken. It's mushrooms. And this not regular pasta. Okay? This not regular pasta. To the ones that's out there like, oh, this not regular pasta. This is garbanzo bean pasta. I think I gotta put some more sauce on here. I gotta get some more sauce. I don't even know if I had more, but let me see. So my sauce was supposed to be white. Okay. Look, I done put all that seasoning up in here that it turned the sauce brown. And this is nothing. Well, it's something. Let me not say it's nothing. What you mean it's nothing? Only thing you need, excuse me, all you need, there's gravy right there. I used to love some gravy on the meat when I used to eat meat. Okay, I used to love some gravy. Okay, what I was gonna tell you guys? Oh, all you need is coconut milk. Coconut milk. Okay, because it's gonna give it that creaminess. Okay, and I used to do back in my heyday. Okay, I used to do vegan cheese. All right. Every time I take a bite, it just puts me in a different time zone, in a different mind zone. Okay, every time I take a bite. It sort of tastes like there's some butter up in here. That's what it tastes like. Family, I gotta go. I gotta hop on this Zoom call. I gotta go. So, on my YouTube page, wait. On my YouTube page, I gotta edit the video though. I'm gonna put like how I made it. The sauce keep on saucing. All right, Kim, I definitely got it out. Peace.